What's up, everyone? Welcome back to VP Reaction. I'm Vicky.
Peter here.
Welcome to another episode of our reaction video. And today we are back with a song from PeterGabriel. Yeah, and the song is Sledgehammer. Sledgehammer. Or Sledgehammer. Yeah. And we are going to do the music video version of it. So, as usual, come along with us to the end.
And guys, please subscribe here if you have not subscribed yet, or if you are subscriber. And if you'd like to request for song, not only from PeterGabriel, any other artist or any other song, your favorite one or the one you'd like to be featured next on our channel, do so via our Buy Me Coffee link that is on our description, as it's also a way of supporting us. If you'd like just to appreciate us by buying us a cup of coffee as the link suggests, do so via the same link on our description, guys. So check on our description for more information, including our Patreon community. Otherwise, let's see the Sledgehammer from PeterGabriel. Oh, Sledgehammer.
Hammer?
Sledge. Sail with us, guys. Kind of stage performance. Oh. No spam. No spam.
Going up and down all around the bends. You could have a thunder car bumping. There's amusement never ends. I wanna be the sledgehammer. Why don't you call my name? Oh, let me be your sledgehammer. This will be my testimony. Yeah. Show me around your fruitcake, 'cause I will be your honeybee. Open up your fruitcake, where that fruit is sweet as can be. I wanna be your sledgehammer. Why don't you call my name? You better call the sledgehammer. This will be my testimony. I'm your sledgehammer. Let there be no doubt about it. The sledge, the sledge, the This is the new stuff. I come I'll be free as a river. What we'll do is
Wanna be the sledgehammer. I want. Wow, what a fun video.
Yeah, the videography in this, or the videograph, really did a lot of work. Model maker, Michael White, right?
Ah, oh wow.
I think it's over.
Yeah, it's over, but what a good fun video. It's kind of funk, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of funk music, but what a good fun one from the video. Nah? I was really lost into it. Some
Exactly.
shocking one.
Sledgehammer. I don't know. I think the sledgehammer was like a metaphor to something because
Okay.
he was like, "I wanna be your sledgehammer." So I feel like it was something like, "I wanna be your lover" or something.
Oh, you're a guy?
Yeah,
Oh, I want to be that guy who. Oh, okay. I now get it.
I'm not even.
Oh, from Hammer. Okay. Oh, no, guys. Tell us first because
Yeah,
for me, I'm kind of overthinking. Or am I right?
but I feel like maybe he was talking like, "I wanna be your guy. I wanna be that person," because the way he was putting his line, he was like, "I wanna be there for you," something like that.
Yeah, what is sledge first, huh?
A sledge, I think it's that hammer, sledgehammer. A
Okay.
hammer, a normal hammer, if you know a hammer. So
But I
something.
think that's the one that usually to separate rocks, that big one, huh? Not the whole hammer. You know, there is a small one, huh? But this one, he wanna be your sledgehammer. But what a good one. Even from the fun of the video, you could just tell that whatever you're thinking, I'm correct.
Oh.
I hope so.
But guys, feel free to share your thoughts because the song is was kind of enjoyable. Okay, enjoyable. Was really fun because of
Fun.
the video. It was kind of fun, and I'll say the video was nice. So shout out to the videographer.
And I hope
But
that the lyrics was kind of having a deeper meaning of
yeah,
it.
but for the lyrics, please share some thoughts on it if you have a better
Yeah.
understanding.
Yeah, and
Share it.
Gabriel, wow, what a fun from even his nature. Just
Exactly.
like, he looks like he's fun, huh?
Yeah, his writings are fun.
Yeah, he's a vibe. So, guys, tell us some more info about Gabriel and please request for another one if you're a Gabriel fan or like us to explore more or even introduce us to another favorite artist or any favorite song that would like us to be featured on our programs or on our videos. Share with us on the Buy Me Coffee link as is also a way of supporting us, guys. And don't forget to subscribe.
And thank you guys so much for watching. Till next time, we'll say goodbye.